Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, July 13th. The Zen story for today is titled The Butterfly That Was Never Caught. Hiro had spent his life studying beauty. As a scholar of nature, he traveled across mountains and valleys, cataloging rare flowers, sketching the perfect curve of a bird's wing, and measuring the patterns of fallen leaves. He believed that if he observed carefully enough, he would one day understand the secret behind all things beautiful. One afternoon, while walking through a meadow, he spotted a butterfly, its wings shimmering blue and gold in the sunlight. This, he thought, is the most perfect creature I have ever seen. He reached for it, but the butterfly fluttered away. Determined to study it up close, Hiro followed. Through fields and over hills, he chased the delicate creature, adjusting his steps to match its erratic flight. Yet each time he neared, it slipped just beyond his grasp. Finally, exhausted, he collapsed beneath a tree. His breath was heavy, his hands empty. And then, as the wind settled, the butterfly circled back. It drifted gently through the air and landed on his open palm. Hiro held his breath, afraid to move. The butterfly rested for a moment, then lifted off again, disappearing into the golden light. He sat there watching the empty space where it had been, and smiled. Some things, he realized, could only be seen when left to be free. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. Remember, there is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. What happens when you stop chasing and simply stand still? What happens when you stop chasing and simply stand still? How does holding on too tightly change what we love? How does holding on too tightly change what we love? Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections. And as always, I encourage you to check out our private circle group for practical moments of Zen you can play with. Enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.